We started our Hungarian activities in 1992, so more than 30 years ago we started to build our great team here. My name is Attila Sors. I'm responsible for the Hungarian Apex tool group. So for Cleco, first of all, we sell Cleco tightening for Audi, Mercedes, BMW, and BYD this year, hopefully. That we do repair and rework activities for cell clutches. Our Cleco team on board, we have a good mechanic and electric assembly workers. I have service leaders, inside services at Audi, Mercedes and BMW. We work pretty close with Westhausen together. So if you need some components or solutions, we order the Cleco parts directly from Westhausen. Sometimes we place order to Lexington as well. Because of this rework project, cell clutch projects, we are pretty close actually to the Lexington entity. We offer quick and qualitative service immediately. So this is a huge advantage. They can visit us in our office, in our workshops. We can do our activities in a short time, always. Hopefully this year the best business we can do with cell clutch.